Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about polyhydramnios and oligohydramnios. First, oligohydramnios. What is oligohydramnios? If amniotic fluid volume is less than 200 ml at term, that is defined as oligohydramnios, and in amniotic fluid index is below less than 5 centimeter in ultrasonography, that is also known as oligohydramnios. So amniotic fluid volume less than 200 ml and amniotic fluid index less than 5 centimeter. Next, what are all the clinical features we can get in case of oligohydramnios? First, uterine size smaller than period of gestation, and fetal movements will be very less and full of fetus, which means there is no fluid, so uterus will be filled with fetus only, and malpresentation, mainly breech presentation, can occur. So uterus smaller than period of gestation, fetal movements are very less, full of fetus in uterus, and breech presentation. This is most common clinical features. Next comes polyhydramnios. What is that? Amniotic fluid volume more than 2 liters. In oligohydramnios less than 200 ml, here more than 2 liters. Amniotic fluid index in ultrasonography is less than 25 centimeter. So there it is 5 centimeter, here it is 25 centimeter. So here the symptoms can be dyspnea, palpitation and edema can occur because of this polyhydramnios, and enlarged abdomen because of high level of fluid content in abdomen, and shiny skin of abdomen and striae can occur because size will be enlarged and skin will be stretched, that's why. And uterine size is more than period of gestation, and fetal parts not well defined, and fluid thrill may be occur because abdomen is fully enlarged with fluid. So dyspnea, palpitation and edema, enlarged abdomen, uterine size more than period of gestation, and fluid thrill can occur. Now this is very much important because frequently they are asking about the causes of oligohydramnios and polyhydramnios. So first, oligohydramnios, here the mnemonic is cause due to premature leak. So first, what is cause? Structural anomaly or chromosomal anomaly. Due is drugs. Premature leak. So here P is post maturity and RE is renal anomaly, that can be obstructive uropathy. And mature leak, so mature, maternal hypertension. U is uteroplacental insufficiency, RE is retarded growth or IUGR. Leak, LE is leak by amniocentesis, which means chorionic villus sampling. Next, AK, which is amnion nodosum. So here K is silent, you can remember like this, amnion nodosum. So cause, chromosomal anomaly or structural anomaly. Due, drugs. Premature leak, here P is post maturity, RE is renal anomaly, hypertension, maternal hypertension. U, uteroplacental insufficiency. So please remember these conditions, they are causes for oligohydramnios. Next, polyhydramnios. If we remember only oligohydramnios, we can remember polyhydramnios also. You just decide what you have to remember. If you remember only oligohydramnios, you can exclude the conditions which can cause polyhydramnios. So here polyhydramnios causes are maternal diabetes mellitus, multiple gestation. So multiple gestation, there can be twins, so twin to twin transfusion. Next, isoimmunization, pulmonary abnormality and fetal anomaly. Fetal anomaly can be anencephaly, tracheoesophageal fistula or other fistulas also. So atresia, fistula and anencephaly. So maternal diabetes causes polyhydramnios, maternal hypertension causes oligohydramnios. Please remember. Now this is an MCQ taken from one book, and this is asked in AIMS 2000. So oligohydramnios seen in, and they have given options like this: neural tube defect, renal agenesis, esophageal atresia and examphallos. Here the answer is renal agenesis. Why renal agenesis? We have already seen that in case of Oligohydramnios, the mnemonic is caused due to premature leak. Here that RE, premature, within this premature, RE is renal anomaly, that is obstructive uropathy or renal anomaly. So here that renal anomaly indicates renal agenesis. So that is seen in oligohydramnios. So you can exclude like this. And next question, polyhydramnios is not seen in. They have asked that polyhydramnios is not seen in. So amnion nodosum. Why it is amnion nodosum? We have already seen that amnion nodosum causes oligohydramnios, because in the clue word cause due to premature leak, the last word leak, AK, indicates amnion nodosum. So that is seen in oligohydramnios. So please try to remember only one keyword, whether you can remember polyhydramnios or you can remember oligohydramnios, so that you can easily exclude. So that's all. Thank you.